So in this video, let's see how actually the Avtaryug application looks like. So let's open the app. So this is the Avtaryug's app. Now let's begin. I'll select games as of now. You can choose from multiple options. I'll click on monetize and then I'll select mail for now and click on next. So these are the options you can choose to customize and personalize your avatars as per your preferences. I'll select this skin color for now, and you can also choose the hairstyles, eyebrows, beards and other accessories. I'll choose this hairstyle, and you can choose other accessories like sunglasses, tattoos, etc. So here you can see that to add specific assets to your store, some currencies are required. This is due to monetization feature enabled. So you can set the currencies and their values in the project from the Avtaryug's portal. So I'll make a random avatar for now, and then I'll click on buy and buy. And I'll click on save. It will take some time to generate. Now after generating, you can download the avatar and you can also download render image by the given links. Now click on OK. So here you can see other options like bundles, containers, rewarded ads and inventory. You can manage these settings from the Avtaryug's portal. So let's select some containers. You can add these containers by purchasing them in the same way. You can add bundles and inventory too. So let's try to manage it. Let's go to the Avtaryug's portal. Select the project and go to economy. And I'll click on containers and new container. I'll give it a random display name as my container. And I'll put it as active. I'll type some random count and I'll add some items in here. I'll add these two. Okay. And you have to put some price using these currencies. So I'll put this currency over here. I'll give some values and save. So now the container has been updated and it should reflect your application. So now let's see again. So we have to restart the application. I'll select monetize and next. Again, I'll create some random avatar. Buy. And save. Okay, this avatar is loaded. Now go to the containers. You can see over here containers, and yes, the new container is added over here. You can see we have created this container just now, and you can add and use this. So yes, that's all about monetized feature in your Android application. Thank you.